Hey guys, it's Grishiboa Forever, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY kit with my BFF.
Hi, it's Em from Squishy Lover 91, but then I retired, and then everyone else retired, so it's a bandit account now.
So I'm filming outside and there's cars passing by, so you might hear some background noises. This is the DIY kit I'm going to be doing. So here's how the packaging looks like, and the back. And this was $3.
And then here, just grab it from that side and pull it.
So it comes with like chocolate, some bananas, and a toothpick, and some sprinkles. It looks like Nutella. Oh, I didn't cut it all the way.
The chocolate tastes really good. You like it?
No, it's okay. So we're gonna try it now. You can go first.
Do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are gonna try it now.
Tastes like Laffy Taffy with chocolate and sprinkles.
I taste mostly banana.
Yeah. Tastes like taffy. So that was it for the candy kit. This is a very simple candy kit and it tastes good. If I were to rate it out of 5 stars, I'll rate it a probably like 4. What about you?
Yeah, I rate it like a 4.
And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!